Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Welcome to the essetinoartists YouTube channel where we talk about money, marketing, and mindset. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go live within your Facebook group, and it's going to be an easy method. Also, side note, this is for computers desktop. I will also be doing a tutorial for mobile as well. Alright, so make sure you are in your Facebook group. I am in my Facebook group. As you can see here, it says group. Now, let's pretend I want to go live. If you scroll down here to when you want to do a post within your group, you'll see the live button. You might not see the live button. Things are always changing and moving around. But usually, if you click this, it gives you more options. So if for whatever reason you don't see the live button as one of the main buttons, pretend like you're going to write something, and then it'll open up more options. Go to a 3 dots and you'll see the full list of all the things you can do. Okay, so I'm just gonna go from the beginning here. Let's just click on live video since it's there in front of us. Click on live video. It's gonna take you to a page like this and it's gonna look confusing. And you're like, what's happening? I just wanna go live. So if you scroll up, you see something like this, and then there's just all this stuff going on. This is if you want a more advanced setup, but I think most people just want to just click go live and then go live within their group. Okay, so I'm just going to pause this video for a second and switch cameras so that I can use the camera for the live stream, and then you'll just only see my screen and I'll disappear for a second. So I'll be right back. All right, so all I did was I clicked on use camera so that it can actually pick up my webcam, because before I was using it to record this video, but now it is attached to the live stream that I'm going to be doing in my Facebook group. You want to make sure that you click the correct camera, right? You might have a camera on your laptop, but this is our webcam. Or you can click on start share screen and that will only share your screen. And then here is the microphone. So make sure that you choose the correct microphone. I'm using the main one right now. So it's grabbing the microphone from my webcam, which is fine, but just because this is a test, but make sure that you have the correct microphone set as well. On this left-hand side, you can see that it's going to be posted from me. And it says choose where to post, and right now it's selected for post in group, which is what I want it to do. If you click on it, you can also do post on timeline, post on page, post in another group, but I'm gonna keep it to posting in this group. And right below it you see that it is the group that I want, the Creative Business Success Facebook group that we have. And then you can also click on this to share it to your story as well. And then you can add a title and then a quick description. So I'll just be like, hey, happy Sunday. Just wanted to say hi. Just a quick thing. If you just want to do a simple live stream with your webcam, with your external microphone, you don't want to use a stream key or, do a whole setup on another software and then reroute and all that kind of stuff, use this method. Just go to use camera, set your camera or share your screen, choose your microphone, and then now we click go live. So I'm going to click go live.
And it looks like we are live in the group. So let's just see here. I'm going to pull it up on my phone right now. And I probably will be live streaming in the Facebook group. So let's just see here. And yep, I am live in the Facebook group. And I'm doing a tutorial for those of you who are wondering. I'm filming a live tutorial where I'm showing people how to do a live stream within a Facebook group. So you can see that I am live right now. And this is for the people on the tutorial. I know this is like kind of weird to watch. I'm filming a tutorial and I'm going live at the same time. So I'm kind of trying to address both crowds right now. But this is just a test live stream. And so when we're done doing your live stream, you can see here that you can click end live video and it will end your live stream. So I'm just going to click end live video. It was just a quick stream to say hello to everybody. If you end this live video now, you'll be able to choose if you want to save or delete it. So I'm going to click end.
And then it's going to pull up something like this. So it's going to say your live video has ended. The video will be posted soon to Creative Business Success. This may take a few minutes. You can rate the quality of your video. You can view the post. You can trim your video. So you can choose a certain part of it, trim the video. If you want to go back, go to stream summary. You can create a clip from your video, like if you want to repurpose more content, or you can delete the video and return to the group. So once your live stream is ended, you can choose from those options there. And so I'm here back in the group after the live stream, and you'll see that there's the live stream that we just did at the same time as filming this tutorial video. Alright, so hit the thumbs up button if I was able to help you out. Check out our other Facebook tutorials down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.